Right, so we have now come to Swanage. What's this car park?
Beach car park.
Beach car park. Now, there are 4 spaces for vehicles longer than 4.8 metres. There's also really long ones all the way down there. That's handy to know. And all the way around the corner down there.
Except where they put the portable toilets for the event.
Now, you cannot stay overnight, but that is pretty good for daytime parking. Right, anyway, we are going...
on a Friday, the market's here.
Right. We are going on the steam train to wherever it is, from Swanage to somewhere else. It goes to Corfe Castle, doesn't it? Right. Okay, he's just getting the tickets. Got about 45 minutes to wait for the next train. On the train, and we've decided, what's this carriage special?
It's the Pullman Observation Car.
Right, a fancy pants packed carriage.
From the Devon Belle.
And so when the guard, so we've paid for the ordinary train, haven't we?
Yeah.
Tickets, but when the guard comes around, there's an extra £4.50 each.
Yeah.
So I think we'll do that, because when this train came in earlier on, there was hardly anybody in this little bit, so that's, that's ideal. Yeah, like they said, the only thing is we're going that way. Well, just turn around.
Well, it's always going to be at the back.
Well, or go in one of those other seats that are facing the right way.
Yeah.
God, look at that. Looks like a little bar down there or something. Used to be. Anyway, that's what we're doing. So what, you just said something to me. What?
This carriage was originally on the Devon Belle, which went from Waterloo to Ilfracombe.
Right.
And then after it got finished with British Rails, it went up to Scotland on some branch lines, and then eventually it went and toured America with the Flying Scotsman, and the people that were doing the tour went bust. Flying Scotsman got brought home, and this got left in America for years.
So how did they get the carriage across the sea? Was it like chitty chitty bang bang?
They tied it to the back of a whale.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
They told him not to go under, stay on the top.
Yeah. And it's a Pullman carriage, so he
Yeah.
Pullmaned it across. Okay.
Yes. Not very good.
No. Well, that was good. It's a buy one get one free today, so it just cost £4.50 for both of us. Corfe Castle, just purely to find, oops, hang on, the train is going, hang on. That's where we're sat just now, in the Devon Belle, and there's a family got on, and the older gentleman of the family sat like opposite us. Come to find out, he was born in Plymouth, grew up in Plymouth until the age of something, I can't remember, and then he moved abroad somewhere. But yeah, I'm just talking about Plymouth and what's there and what's not anymore. So yes, we have come to got off at Corfe Castle purely to find the Corfe Castle visitor centre to get my passport stamped.
You didn't have your passport when we came to the castle.
Exactly. I don't know if you heard that. We didn't have our passport when we came here before, so we have already vlogged at Corfe Castle. So that's what we got here. So get that stamped and then get the steam train. Okay, so we're at Corfe Castle, and this is, you see this church, so we're going to have a little look. The parish church of St Edward, King and Martyr. Not planned this. It looks quite old, doesn't it?
Oh,
look at those. Is that hunky punks?
No, because we're in Dorset.
Well, no, but they do look like hunky punks.
Yeah.
That's a really ugly. That is really scary. That one on the corner. There, right there. Oh, that is horrible. Yuck. Right, there is Corfe Castle up there. I can't see it now. I did see scaffolding on it just now. Right. Any graves here? There's a few headstones propped against the wall. Oh, those gargoyle hunky punks. Oh, they are quite creepy. Have you got some photos of them? Or close-ups? Proper pulling faces. Ugh. Of the, I don't know which bit this is. Anyway, I've just looked up. I've just looked up. There's some very worn faces here at each side of the door, and then if you look up, you can see through its mouth. That's funny. Going in. Oh, it's netting. Can't see the ceiling in there. Can't go any further, not around. There is the font and its top. Window. Yeah, it's netting. In proud and grateful remembrance of the men of this parish who gave their lives for their country. And there's all their names. Thank you. There's a bell and a chest. Can't remember what it says. Please don't touch the old organ. That's really bright, actually. Is that the wind? Nah. Pretty flowers. Yeah. The netting's there because the plaster. I don't know if I said the netting's there because the plaster's crumbling. Oopsie. I'm going to walk down through the village, I suppose. Yeah. Oh, there's some more gravestones there, look. Okay, back at Corfe Castle Station. That's nice, isn't it? Oh, it's a Terence Cuneo. So somewhere there's a little mouse hidden. Terence Cuneo always hides a mouse in his paintings somewhere. Well, there's the ladies' waiting room. And there's old-fashioned toilets, look. Right, so we are catching the steam train, carrying on in the same direction to, where does it go?
Norden.
Norden. Staying on it, and then
Catching it all the way back.
All the way back then to Swanage. So we're carrying on going. He's looking for the mouse now. Right.
Train's due.
Yeah, train's due any minute. I haven't even got time to go another way. Corfe Castle. Apparently it's raining. I can't actually see it. The rain. So the train should be coming from that way in about 2 minutes. So the train ticket was you say 20 quid each?
Yeah.
But you can go up and down the line as many times as you want?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's not too bad, is it, if you're going up and down the line all day long?
And get off it.
And get off, yeah, get off and on anywhere. So it's not too bad. And it's about the general sort of price of them nowadays. I'm still waiting for the train. Neil's just said the engine will be on the back. Woo! Here he comes. Oh. Okay, we are on the train. So go Norden first, stay on it, and then go all the way back to Swanage. Okay, so here we are, back at Swanage Station. Got very wet, hanging out the window, filming and stuff. Right, don't know what to do.